Y'all playing? Y'all have to move up, don't y'all? Yeah, Gunner's playing.
So I think I can play.
Okay. Well, if you want me to be your assistant coach, I'll do it. We'll do it together. I just don't like to be the coach. I like to be the assistant coach. Go, Parker! Yes. This one.
Okay.
With the pigtails. Yeah. Her dad is the head football coach.
Oh, Wells? There was this article, we got a Jacksonville paper in the mail yesterday. There was this article in there about him leaving Jacksonville after...
That must be a different, because he's been at Frankston.
Okay, it was Wells. I was thinking it was him.
No. Sam Wells has been the head football coach here for a long time. And Amy is his wife, and they have Peyton. But Amy and Jamie are Jones twins.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Gotta get ready! Put your hands up, get ready!